Infinity for Marvin by North Georgia Replacement Windows is a very unique company. When Jonathan and I started, we wanted to make sure that we did things a little different. We wanted to provide the best customer experience, and that meant providing the best products, the best service, the best installation, all by doing it with the best people out there.
Ted and I have over 40 years of window and door experience combined. We used to offer over 20 different brands and models of windows. We know that fiberglass is a revolutionary material in the window and door business.
When we're working with a customer, we want to make sure that we take an educational approach. What works best for the customer in terms of their styles and options and colors and even their budget.
We really want to make sure that every customer experience is beyond exceptional. I don't have a sales pitch, I don't have some sort of agenda when I walk into a home. I have the utmost respect for what customers are looking for.
I'm not going to sit here and say that we never mess anything up, but we always make it right, and we always do the right thing for our customers. One of my favorite things about North Georgia Replacement Windows is our people.
When I wake up, I have an opportunity to work for an amazing company, a company that cares so much about its customers and cares so much about its employees that it's hard to not love working here. And then at the end of the day, I have a drive that I was able to provide our customers with a service that they don't always get somewhere else. It's a drive that makes me want to wake up and do it the next day over again.
So when you come to our showroom, just be prepared. It's a happy, fun environment, place that you can get a window and door education. You may see a few dogs running around here.
We service the whole state of Georgia, and we're wanting to help people that are looking for a permanent solution for their window and door projects. The Infinity windows are beautiful. They're not big and bulky like other replacement windows. My hopes for the future are that we remain a leader in the industry and that we continue to focus on doing the right thing. And we want to be better tomorrow than we are today.
New windows and doors can make a big difference in your home and your life. So when you're in the market, we're here to help.